Damn day today. About to go take the car to put some, see what it do with the pipe put on. Running out the back. Yeah, I got excuse me, I ain't got my camera stick today. Oh. Yeah, man, we finna take this car and run them out the back, man. See if they got some tips and shit like that. So that's what we about to do. I'll let these runners up. That's what we about to do, man. Woo! I wasn't gonna get out today. I was gonna chill, man, since it was raining. But I was just like, man, while I'm thinking about it, while I was on my mind, while I got a little time, I might as well. Let me see where I'm gonna get gas. I'm gonna go on the street get gas. But yeah, so we definitely gonna do that today. Go up there. Hopefully they can be able to do it. I know they close like at 12. So it's just one of them things I'm gonna have to hurry up and go. See if I got time. But yeah, man, these turn down, they good, don't get me wrong, but I just want a little more growl in it, man. Since I'm upgrading and doing all this to it, I just want a little more growl in the Chevy. Cause all my cars got turned down except the pink one, so I was just like, man, why not change the tone up a little bit? Give me a little more deep growl. Sometimes that deep growl will make you, you know what I'm saying, make the tone and the Chevy look good as it ride by. The sound, it just does something to you, man. So you just gotta be you just gotta have a box Chevy to understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah, we finna grab some gas real quick. And guys, we'll see y'all once we get there. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off, but we'll see y'all when we make it, guys. But yeah, I ain't gonna take it on the interstate. I'm just gonna take the back road. So, but we'll catch y'all when we see y'all. I mean, damn. We'll catch y'all back when we get there. First time driving the car on the interstate. I thought I wasn't gonna take it, but I just had to take it, man, to get there a little quicker so they can have time to do it. But yeah, man, she riding good. You know what I'm saying? She good. She on the interstate. You know what I'm saying? We riding. Y'all know what's up, man. Tune to the channel. Hey, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. I really ain't got to do no explaining, man. Y'all already know what's going on. It's raining, but hell, they don't stop us, man. Money don't stop, time don't stop, the grind don't stop. You know what I'm saying? So why stop? But yeah, man, we here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna wait because I don't want to have my phone and shit out in the rain. I don't want to be inside with them actually being in the way this time. So plus I ain't got my camera stick today, but in the end of the day, they don't give me an excuse, but can't get my phone wet at the same time. So guys, yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all know we working, man. Y'all know what I'm saying? We working, man. We just gonna get well, I ain't gonna show y'all. It's gonna be a surprise. See what they got. Oh, all right, man, we'll see what they got. So y'all see they running over this thing behind the tire. Over this thing behind the tire. Y'all already know it's that U-joint. Y'all can see in there. It's new. She brand new up there. Good on that part. Y'all see, man, no transmission leak. So ain't got no leaks on them. See them shocks, brand new shocks. All right, man, we're going down, guys. How they must sound. Might not sound too much of a difference, but Open that door. Oh, that door kind of weird. So. Oh yeah. Definitely. Like a real Chevy, man. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah. You said what?
That's the TV I got in my house.
Yeah, I think it's a 10-inch.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Yeah, she sound way better now.
Especially in one of these old schools.
Oh yeah.
Does that work off your phone?
Yep. Got YouTube and everything on there. I already got my ticket too. Yeah, man. See?
That's wild.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
This is what I got. 89.
This is 88.
88.
Yep. This is 88.
So that would work in mine 2011 too, right? If I wouldn't bought one of those, I could hook it up in mine.
Yeah. Yep.
I mean, I seen it working in the 88.
Yeah.
I'm sure it would.
It working there, you know. Yeah, it's definitely working there. Yes, sir.
That was green when I bought it, don't work.
Oh.
So I was thinking that just break the whole dash out, just stick it right over.
Stick it right over. Gotcha. It could be done.
Yeah.
But it was in there when I got it, but it still can be done though.
How's your YouTube page going?
Oh, growing. It's growing, yeah. It's growing, man. Yes, sir. I actually built this car on there, so you know, I got it from.
I see your videos every now and then.
Yeah, every now and then.
I subscribe to probably a couple hundred folks.
Gotcha.
So when I go through my YouTube and the shorts and stuff.
Yeah, shorts and stuff. 9 out of 10, I'll be on there somewhere.
I was watching, we had it on TV the other day and it was off my phone.
You don't mind backing up there? I just want to, I didn't know if you could. I just want to hear that mud back. He said, I don't mind at all. She just right, man. Man, she sounds good. That bit quiet. And that mud quiet. You scared to hit on it. You scared to hit on it, ain't it? You scared to hit on it?
Well, you know it ain't mine.
Man, hit on it. Yeah. You said, well, you ain't mine. Oh, yeah, man.
If it was mine, I'd be
Nah, you good. I was just talking to her, man. I did a good job, man. This side over here? Oh, yeah.
The Caprices are actually the hardest tailpipes to do. Because
I thought they were these ones, too.
The truck like that.
Oh.
You have a bar that goes on each side. So it has to be, it cannot even be a 16th of an inch off or you're going to be rubbing your tire or that bar. You got to break the weight. I did everything immaculate. So I got right here. Everything.
Hey.
When you bend the pipe, when you need to bend over here and you walk back over there, it's going to be the opposite. So over here,
oh, I see what you're saying.
Come out this way. When you go back over there, you got to bend the
Swing it
pipe
back.
around.
Oh.
So I was doing that, and I was coming back around, and instead of flipping the pipe around, I just bent in the direction I needed it, get back over here, way over
Get
here.
right.
Every time.
Hey,
If you need to go left, you need to take it back over here, flip the pipe around, and go right.
Go right.
You know, and then you done get 3 or 4 bends, and you're like flip,
Yep,
left,
flip.
right, left. And I got to one, on my third bend, I went right to the left. Threw me off.
Dang.
And the sticks are pipe, man, they cost us.
All right, man. So she sound way better. Definitely way better, guys. Put this over here. She sound like a Chevy now. Oh yeah. She sound more like a Chevy now, guy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's not under the flow. It's not too loud. It's just it's just how I want it. Makes me want to just hit on that motherfucker. Man, just how I want it to, guys. And like I said, guys, I didn't add no pipe, not pipes, I meant tips. I didn't add no tips to the back. I just wanted like the pink one, man. I just wanted the head, so. Like if somebody was outside and they hear it, they'll know the sound, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's far back, so it's kind of like quiet. But outside the car, it sounds way better, man. We're gonna get home, man, and crank up and let y'all hear it one more time. So we're gonna go ahead and, man, and dodge these damn potholes and shit out here. God damn. Whoa, these potholes bad. They bad in the Jacktown, man. Got an old car sitting over there. Y'all do me a favor, y'all new to the channel, man. Y'all hit that like button, thumbs button, turn on post notifications on. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Head hunt to the banner. Yeah, y'all see it, man, right on the interstate, man. Yes, sir. Sir, man, she ride, dog. She ride, man. Yeah, just something slight, guys. Just something slight, man. We could have got the the tips, but they didn't have the tip. They only had one, actually, one tip. The flat tips I was gonna do out the back, but I was just like, you know what, man, we'll just hide it. It'll be all good, you know what I'm saying? If I ever want the tip, I always come back and get the tip. But right now, we're gonna just hide it, do it like that. But other than that, man, we getting there. Like, I can hear it, like, just sounds so quiet. Damn. I know she'll burn out. She burned out. It's a little wet, so that's why I can do that. Well, she can burn out when she dry too now. Don't get me wrong now. She can do all that. The way I was hitting on that gas, like, I ain't even hold it down hard. Yeah, guys, like I said, man, we'll see y'all when we get to the house. I just want to talk this shit with you. All right, guys, we finally made it home, guys. Y'all can see, y'all can hear, man, what she sound like. Like she's, I ain't got my damn camera stick, so, y'all gotta just bear with me. Yeah, now I gotta try some stuff, man. I gotta be creative real quick. Let me see something. I get down here. Gotta be creative. Don't laugh at it. Gotta be creative, man. That was exactly what I wanted, man. A little something back there in the back. Okay. All right, guys. Just want to say thank y'all for watching the video, man. Hope y'all like, hit that thumbs bell, and everything. Turn the post notifications on. Don't forget to subscribe to your boy, man. Like I said, we gonna get it. We got it done piece by piece, man. That's all that matters. All right, man. Now she sound like a real Chevy now. You know what I'm saying? She sound like a motherfucker now, guys. So, hey. Ain't too much more I can do to it, man. Like I said, man, 10 bands, man. That's what I want for it. So if y'all want to hit the comments, man, below. But y'all got to be serious if y'all want it, man. I already got some people that talking about buying it and everything. So I got clear title and everything. So come catch me out, man. The more I do to it, the more I'm going to want for it, man. The more I do to it, the more I'm going to want for it, man. Around that time, man, income tax